How to fix MySQL Shutdown Unexpectedly in XAMPP. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the MySQL Shutdown Unexpectedly error in XAMPP with an easy step-by-step method. So the first question that arises in mind is, why does this error happen? The MySQL Shutdown Unexpectedly error in XAMPP usually occurs due to a corrupted MySQL database file, improper shutdown of MySQL service, port conflicts, or missing configuration files. Luckily, there's a straightforward fix, so just follow these steps carefully. First, you gotta locate your XAMPP installation. So you gotta open this PC or File Explorer, navigate to the directory where XAMPP is installed. By default, it's usually at XAMPP. Open MySQL folder, rename the current data folder. Inside the MySQL folder, locate the data folder, right-click on it and select Rename. Change the name to data_old. This keeps a backup of your current data. So then you gotta create a new data folder. So inside the MySQL folder, create a new folder and name it data. Then copy backup files, open the backup folder inside MySQL, select all files inside and copy them, paste them into the newly created data folder. Restore the data file, go to data_old and find the file named whatever name you just wrote and copy this file and paste it into the new data folder. Then you gotta restore database folders. So open data_old again, copy all folders except these three that are performance_schema, MySQL, PHP_MyAdmin. Paste these copied folders into the new data folder, and then you gotta restart XAMPP and MySQL. So close XAMPP completely, reopen it, and start MySQL again. If everything was done correctly, MySQL should now work without errors. So if MySQL still doesn't start, try running XAMPP as an administrator. Also check if another application is using port 3306. You may need to change the MySQL port settings in my.ini. So that is basically how you can fix the MySQL Shutdown Unexpectedly error in XAMPP. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.